Hey, Michael, this is Jamie with Premier Real Estate Group here in Colorado Springs. I saw you just requested some property info online. Do you have just a minute?
Oh yeah, I sure do. I literally just filled out a thing on Facebook. That was quick. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, awesome. Were you thinking about buying a property? Selling? Maybe both?
Yeah, we're looking at maybe doing both. We've got a property now, so just looking to get into a little bit bigger house in the next couple months.
Fantastic. We can absolutely help you with both. We have over 20 years of experience, so we'll be able to help you get top dollar for your home and help strategize your timing for your next purchase, too. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Okay, great. Can you tell me a bit more about what you're looking for in your new home when the time comes? Like how many beds or baths you'd like to have, or what price point you'd like to stay within?
Yeah, we're looking for a 5-bed, 3-bath home. We're trying to keep it under 600,000.
Perfect, thanks. 5 beds, 3 baths, under 600,000. That sounds great. Okay, and lastly, just so we can be prepared, are you already pre-approved or do you need a lender? We can definitely help you with that as well if you needed.
No, I actually am pre-approved.
Awesome. Well, I'll set up a time for a quick call with one of our awesome agents to get you some resources. And by the way, there's no pressure or rush here. It would just be so we can set up a custom home search and share homes that hit the market that meet your exact criteria. It should only take maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Fair enough?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Okay, great. We have availability over the next couple of days, but of course, I'll help work around your schedule. When would be a good day and time for a quick call?
Yeah, I could do tomorrow, like around 5:30 when I get off work.
Great. I'll make sure I get that on our agent's calendar. Now, just making sure tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. definitely works for you, right? I just want to make sure it's convenient.
You know what? Actually, could we do maybe 5:45? Just that'll make sure I don't hit traffic or anything. I'd make sure I can settle down a little bit too.
Sure, no problem. Tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. we should be able to make that work just fine. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Super. We'll look forward to speaking with you tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. Do you have any other questions for me before I let you go?
No, I don't think so. That's it.
Awesome. Well, again, I really appreciate all of your time today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.